When building out our forms the reactive way, we're moving a lot of code out of the template and moving it into our class. If we have to build a form that has multiple form controls, let's say a form can easily have maybe 10 form controls, this can get a little tedious to write. Lucky for us, Angular 2's reactive forms module comes with a form builder, which lets us create these with a little bit cleaner syntax. Let's see how we can use that right now. We'll add form builder here. And now that we have form builder, we're going to add it to our constructor so we can use it. And we'll just call it FB here, form builder. Now that we have access to the form builder, we can use that to build our form. So let's comment this out, and below it, let's write how we can now build our form. This.form is equal to this.fb.group. We can use name, and instead of doing new form control every time, we can just pass in an array here. And username is also an array. That will be good enough to do the exact same thing as new form group and new form control, except this time we're using the form builder. Let's make sure everything works. All right, we still have our object, which is the name and the username for our form. Now, thankfully, since we did that, we don't even need this form control here. And the only reason we're using this form group is to type hint what our form is going to be. That was a very quick lesson on a little bit of how we can simplify building out forms, and we'll just delete all of that now. So now we have our form. Next, we can move on to validations.